Hi there. Now we are back with the next set of video of lead generation, whether it is through campaign or non-campaign. You can use any word, but technically they are inbound and outbound marketing techniques. Okay, so if you consider these two things, okay, so I will be talking about outbound marketing now, but if you consider these two things, these are attached to each other, like initially this will be done and then we'll use the stuff from here to this one. Anyways, I mean, even if we get this contacts from here or this one, we'll use it for outbound marketing only here. Okay, email marketing automation will use the same emails we have got previously from any of the campaigns, whether it is outbound or inbound marketing. Okay, so email marketing automation we have already discussed earlier in this one, and the MailChimp, considering maybe we'll go log in with the other one. So we have discussed about the forms that we need to verify identity via SMS. I think I'll do this later. Okay, so in the create section we have discussed about what is this sign up form. Okay, so in the website you can create these forms. Okay, you can automate this one, and either you can embed a form, you can have a pop-up form or sign up page inside the website. Maybe we'll discuss about it in we're talking about opt-in form, so we'll go for the pop-up form. Sorry about that. So yeah, we are discussing about outbound marketing, but opt-in forms that I'm talking now is inbound marketing technique. Okay, but why I'm telling here is for email marketing automation we need to have this opt-in form already installed. I mean, been in place. Okay, this is opt-in form. This is how we are done. So we'll have an opt-in form already, or through contact forms also we can do this one. We already explained this one in email marketing techniques. Okay, email marketing tools that I have explained in the earlier tools. Okay, from this one you will have a pop-up on the website. This is an opt-in form for people to subscribe, or you can change the content however you want it. We'll get the email addresses here. So okay, this is the pop-up form, but once we have received these emails, we can just automate this one using this email. Okay, so for the new subscribers we can have the email. If you have the list of in the CRM, you have a whole number of email addresses, the contacts. You can save their date of birth, and you can automate their birthday wishes. Okay, you can regularly share the blog updates with all the newcomers, or for particular category of customers. If you have IoT related customers, you can have the tag of IoT, and you can share IoT related blogs particularly to them. Okay, so subscriber activity, when a new it is for the new subscriber, and you can respond to the subscriber updates. Okay, so you can send a thank you mail also. Okay, date based. Okay, specific date, recurring date, you can wish on their particular date. You can automate all this stuff that way. I mean, regularly contacting and getting in touch with your clients will have a brand loyalty from your clients, and that is the best way of getting regenerating leads. Okay, repetitive customers you call it, right? So those kind of people are the repeating customers for your brand. Okay, once they like a single product, they might want to improvise it. I mean, if it is relevant to them. Okay, or if it is not relevant to them, they'll at least suggest to their friends, family, or anything. That will help you in improving the word of mouth. So okay, with this one thing we have just finished both the things with this one video. These both of them will go hand in hand. Okay, with MailChimp you can go and do it, or even with the Zoho campaigns. We have discussed this part earlier, so you can do with the Zoho campaigns also. Okay, basically this email marketing automation is nothing but drip campaigns. Okay, you might have heard about drip campaigns. It is one of the campaigns in email marketing. Drip campaign in the sense you'll be having a set of emails already available with you, okay, based on time or the response of your particular client for the email you have sent. You'll be sending the next email in particular set of times. Okay, you'll be keeping him in touch for regular times, okay, so that you'll not be forgotten. Okay, or if he is into a potential buyer of your new products also, you'll be introducing him about the updates of your new launches. Okay, you'll be going with the upcoming innovations, R&Ds in your organization. So this is the way email marketing automation will help. That will improve and help you in regenerating leads, okay, from the same client. Okay, that is also lead generation. Okay, mostly, I mean, more than 50% of leads are from the repetitive customers only in the big companies. Okay, so they're not generating new leads. They're trying to maintain the current leads and try to get more business every day, okay, from the same leads. Okay, that is why I just wanted to mention these two things. Otherwise we don't have the much work here in the lead generation thing here. Okay, mainly these two are the points that we need to discuss. Okay, so now we'll go to outbound techniques of scraping and extraction techniques. Okay, scraping is something just almost these are the same things. Scraping and extracting the same thing. Okay, so you'll be extracting the stuff from a particular website. Okay, website or the content. Okay, you just filter all of that from that content and you just use it here. Okay, we'll go with the one by one techniques. Okay, with the tools. Snow.io is one of the tool that I use a lot. Okay, this is a paid one. Okay, actually this is a paid one, but you'll also get it for free. Okay, okay, if you want to check for the pricing initially, these are the $39. Okay, email validation, email drip campaigns also available here. Okay, email verification is available here, email finder is available. Okay, these are the things. This is available. Okay, start using Snow for free. Okay, no credit card required upfront. So there's a limit for the free account, by the way. Okay, that's obvious. We'll just go ahead and create the free account. Sign up now. Sign me up. Save it here. Add it here. Just close this. And for signing up, so now once this is done, if you want to have the intro features overview, you can just have and look at the video, which is 1 minute 52 seconds.
Welcome to Snowview. You can push leads to fill up your funnels with Snowview Email Finder. Collect targeted leads on websites, professional social networks, Google search results. Anywhere, the possibilities are endless. You can also reduce your bounce rate. Clean email list for better deliverability with Snowview Email Verifier. Verify on the go or upload your own list to receive duplicate-free, bounce-free, valid emails. Contact your leads at scale with personalized messages that feel genuine and look human. Send email campaigns and automate follow-ups using triggered sequences with Snowview Email Drip campaigns. Track sent emails right in your Gmail with our unlimited email tracker. No logos, no limits, no pay plans. Pure productivity. Discover the technology stack of your competitors and clients for deeper insight into their needs and pain points with Snovio Technology Checker. Want to integrate Snovio tools directly into your platform? Our powerful REST API is at your service. With Snovio, building an automated funnels is easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to be the first to see the latest videos and growth guides from our channel.
Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so we don't have to worry much about it. You'll have to install the Snovio. You will find a tool. There are all the tutorials that if you want to help with. Okay, use Chrome extension, import our prospect list, upload a list of domains, get individual emails. These are the features. The domain search, if you want to go with ibm.com, there are this many number of emails. You can just search based on your upgrade subscription level. It will just show it to you. Okay, you can just search all the emails, but after limit it will have this. You can just find all this. If you know the name of that particular guy, okay, you can just go and check that particular guy's email addresses also. If you have the from social address, social media, LinkedIn, we have extracted these ones. Personal contacts 2, all domain email this one, generic contacts 110, technologies 11. You want to see the technologies also, what they are using. Okay, you can just see. Okay, so generic contacts are these are not required for campaigning. Personal contacts are these two. Sorry, domain emails are these. Okay, after this one, once you load these things, you can also, I'm sorry, why is this happening all the time? Okay, so if you want to verify this also, you can add all of them and verify whether genuinity of these emails are there or not. Okay, you can add to the list of whatever you create here. Okay, this is based on the company name. Okay, based on this one. Okay, so the other ways of generating prospects is using Chrome extension based on any website. If you go, okay, maybe we'll go here and so we will look for emails of Canva. See, so any website, if you are on any website, this will automatically check for the all emails that particular domain has. You can have the complete search when you click on there, and it will just come here and have the complete search of these things. Okay, you can add and check for the prospects, and then sorry, what is this? Okay, import our prospect list, upload a list of domains and check for all the prospects. Okay, this is how we can check for the prospect. You can also check for the businesses, company profile search based on the country, industry, specialties. You can have your target businesses list, and from that company names you can also have the prospects list. Okay, from here you can find emails, single email search based on the name. Based on the name and company domain, you can check for the emails. Okay, and bulk email search is also available with a list of emails and all. I mean, with the list of first name, last name, and the domain address. Okay, so bulk domain search, social eval search, linker. You can also check for social eval search of okay, uploads these links to social network providers. Each email address provides cost 1 credit. Okay. Based on the LinkedIn and Twitter only, it will go and search for the email addresses. Okay, this may be the paid one. Okay, so the link, job title, this is the boolean search. Okay, so based on the job and skills and location, you can have the particular email addresses, okay, for that particular category. Okay, you can now also verify the emails, whatever you have searched and found the emails, you can have the verification done. Or if you want something to be done outside the prospect, you can just give the email address here, and you can just check for whether it is a valid email address or not. Okay, we'll just go for checking with one email address. Maybe I'll just start with the prospect. Okay, I'll go with my email address only, info@badboys.org. This is checking whether the domain is, see, the email is valid. If it is green color, it is a valid one. Okay, so it comes with 3 colors, orange and red also. Okay, now we can check for other prospects if possible in the badboys.org or the homeo.in if you want. Okay, oops. Okay, now I'll just try to get the email address. See, these are the email addresses we have got. We don't know whether they are verified or not. Now add to the list, new prospects, successful, verify the emails. So now we can select all of them, verify the email addresses. This will cost you each credit, but just wanted to show you too whether it is a verified one or not. Okay. So all are verified except from this one, because this is not a valid email address. Okay, you can see the red color here, so you can just import them also. You can that prospects tags. Okay, you can select and give the email address. Anyways, from the prospect list only, you can just export them. You can download it here from my phone. Okay, so that's what I was checking. So this is how it is, verification emails. Email drip campaigns, as I explained it to you earlier. The drip campaigns, you can maintain the format here. Templates are here. You can just find the template. Okay, so there are general templates added here. Okay, you know it's not easy. It's good. Anyways, okay, there will be a tree that needs to be marketing page. We'll go with marketing page. So this one, these are the email templates. Okay, so if you want, you can edit them once they are ready, or you can create your own, copy this one and create your own template. Okay, here I think you can go and in all templates you can create your own email template. Now I will go for the campaign template. Okay, this is the tree, how it looks. Okay, so who should do what is the starting position and email, then the trigger. There are 2 options. So if it is yes, goal is achieved. Okay, warm lead, it should be considered to warm lead. If no, there is a follow-up email, then trigger. Then again, if the goal is achieved, it's a hot lead. If no, thank you email. So we should not drag it, so he can't be a prospect at all. So like this, you can go for the drip campaign technique also. There are more tools for this one, so as explained in that one. Okay, all these are very useful, and Snow is one of the greatest tools I have ever come across. Okay, so you can just have a look at all this. Okay, and make the best use of this tool for getting better prospects and leads. Okay, so if you are able to convince your team to get the budget for this particular tool, it's this is a all-in-one tool for your campaign thing. Okay, both inbound and outbound marketing. You can just check for the competitors, you can check for their emails, you can get the prospects there itself, and you can run the campaigns there itself. Okay, so consider this is one of the all-in-one campaign tool for outbound marketing. Okay, so I hope this is one this tool will help you a lot. Okay, another thing is now LinkedIn helper. Okay, so I have a video already created for this one. Okay, I know LinkedIn helper. Before going to this one, I'll talk to you about duck soup. Okay, this is not a free tool. It says that it is a free tool for verifying the prospects, but I'm just telling you, this is a paid one. Okay, uh, if you are ready to pay, this is a paid one. But let me tell you what exactly this duck soup and LinkedIn helper do. These two are similar tools. Okay, so what they can do is, okay, so they can verify the prospects for you. Okay, they'll introduce and build your network. Okay, they can scrap the emails for you from that one, and it will also help you in getting your leads going. Okay, so duck soup is first, then later we can go with the other one. Okay, it comes with so many features. Starter, it says everything you need to get going free, but this is not enough, trust me. Okay, so still I will just see what is it is. Find the prospects, support for LinkedIn start and standard business, it's okay. Support for sales navigator, okay. If you are buying for sales if you are buying already the sales navigator means you don't want to the you can um, buy duck soup also, because this is just cost very less amount than sales navigator on whole. Okay, so if you want to buy sales navigator, I suggest go with these tools. More than duck soup, I'll suggest you go with, if you are able to purchase this one, this is well and good. Okay, so this one costs $41.25 per user per month, but LinkedIn helper costs $19 a year. Okay, those people doesn't have this well-defined website. That is the only problem. Previously these guys have organized in a website, but trust me, LinkedIn helper has a very good feature list, and it's very easy to use. Okay, but occasionally it gets some technical glitches, and okay, that's the problem technically, but they'll have a good support, and they'll support. If they were not able to support, they'll definitely pay you back, but it didn't happen till now. Okay, they keep supporting us, and I have used the tool for more than a year, and I love that tool using, and that one helped me a lot. Okay, duck soup is expensive than that one. Okay, so if you want to go for turbo, I'm not sure. If you want to pay monthly, this is the one. If you want to pay annually, this is the one. Even if you go for professional, it's a lead generation process. Okay, it'll create all leads, but the connection is not possible here. That's the only stuff that is not possible with Duxo. If you want to go for professional, you can go. You can with the free thing, you want connect to your people. Okay, there is a problem. You can just view the profiles. That's the only thing possible with Duxo, the 200 per day. Okay, so I better suggest you go with LinkedIn helper. Okay, that one is free for 2 weeks. You can do all the stuff you can do. Okay, so if it is done again with that one, you can just uninstall the. I used to do that one. uninstall the extension, and you can just again do that one, again install the extension, create an account with another email address and use it for 2 more weeks. Okay, I think once in 10 days you can just export the data, and you can just have a list of data at one place. Okay, once it is done, okay, if you have a Snowvia, you can upload all the email address from you have got through that one, and you can help yourself in going on with the campaigns. So duck soup, okay, this will help you, this one will help you in creating and getting all the profiles, particular prospects based on your search, and extract their profiles and list that to one place. Okay, oops, well done folks, we're proud of you guys. I think these guys are getting married. We should be getting married today, but instead we went to work for you to stay at home for us. People are there. These are angels. They're not just people. At this time, every doctor looks like an angel to me. Okay. Anyways, all the best. We hope to see you get married. Okay. So back to business. So now, if you are with this one, okay, you are searching for digital marketing guys, digital marketing experts, or digital marketing. You just go for a digital marketing. Okay, and check for people. When you check for these people, and the moment you have installed this Chrome, this one is active and says at your service. Okay. Now you can set for the connections, whether it is first, second, third, or anything. If you leave it, you can find all the stuff. Okay, since you wanted to connect with the second and third, you can just select them, apply. You can check for the region, whether it is in India or United States. Go ahead and check. You can go for the cities also, not an issue. If you have any particular companies or industries here, you have targeting, you can just go ahead and check. You want MNCs to be targeted, apply here. You wanted a particular service or comes with the title, you can just go ahead and anything. If you want to know languages, anything, just filter it. Okay, so these are the people we have found, 53,000. So we need to find these, visit their profiles. Okay, and enter our stuff like this intro mail into their connection request. Okay, hi, first name. Okay, if you want a middle name or last name also, you can just before comma you can just put it here. Okay, happy to be connected. This is the intro content for connection, before the connection. Okay, this is the message. Okay, so you write all this one and just visit and connect. This is a premium feature, as I told you. Okay, this won't help you, but if you ask for visit profile, what it does is it will just visit the profiles. You can just put it in a separate tab like this. See, I'm not scrolling the stuff because it's already doing on your own. It will scroll on its own, and you have reached your daily limit because I have used already the 100 free area profiles recorded today. What it does is it will just scroll down, it will just visit each profile, and it will if you are eligible to share this one, visit and connect, it will open the profile, it will scroll it for you, and it will check the profile, it will consider this profile only, it will open this one, it will scroll down to check the whole profile. Okay, and it will scroll up again, and it will ask for connect. Okay, if this is message, it won't show. Okay, if you have any tricks and notes, you can just save it for any particular contact also. Okay, go for this one. Oops, all these people are we don't know whether oh, you will delete to connect. Okay, sorry, I was thinking that this is the email address. Okay, I will just type the content whatever we are using. So the content what I have used here. Okay, this will paste this content here, or if you wanted to write it, it will write word by word, I mean letter by letter, and take time to send invitation, so that it will look more like a person than a bot. Okay, so you can use any of it. Okay, maybe it's better if you go for copy, because it will do it fast, but it will take some time, because people can also have listed I mean have the content made ready in their notes, and then you can just copy. Okay, paste it here. So we can paste it here and send an invitation. Then again it will take some time. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, this will help you that way. Okay, so duck soup is one such thing. Okay, so this will help you in creating profiles. We'll check for the email addresses if they have. Okay, so these are the things that will help you with. If you want, you can just, so nothing is for free, so the free version is not enough. Okay, it won't get us anything. Okay, but for the LinkedIn helper, with the LinkedIn helper we can achieve that one. This is the LinkedIn helper. Okay.
Need a professional website? I created one for our startup using Wix. Let me show you how I did it. First, go to wix.com.
Wix, we heard so much about Wix, right? So this was a old video I have already created for you. Okay, so I'll just add the link to this one here, but I have explained how exactly this LinkedIn helper help you in generating prospects and leads. Okay, but the working process you can see it here, and I'll just add the video. Okay, here. Go to settings, check for extensions, and open the Chrome store, search for LinkedIn helper, add to Chrome, add extension, well, ratings, so many people use it, trust me. Okay, LinkedIn helper it is. Now you can just scroll down to see Gonda. Sign in. Just need to reload it for it to be active on the LinkedIn profile of yours. Okay, so now it will ask you to create an account on the LinkedIn page, email address, so you can create this one, and obviously it will ask for this. So these are the various features that will provide to us. Okay, You can visit the auto visitor first level. I mean, there are different profiles for each level of connections you have. Okay, so these are the stuff you can endorse. You can do whatever you want. For the same for the second and third level of people, groups. Okay, companies. You can ensure the companies, similar companies. Okay, you can back up and restore the data also for whatever you have done on LinkedIn. If you want to be in the loop with your contacts, keep endorsing, select. Okay, create new or list. Okay, you need to check for what are the connections you are taking. You are endorsing your first connection, so create a list of first connection. Okay, now collect the contacts for endorsing. Okay, so there is an ad coming up.
Every day you use multiple communication channels to talk to your clients. Why not unify all of them?
Sorry about the video. Okay, now you go ahead and do open the first connection list. Now start endorsement contacts, collect connects for endorsing. Okay, now it will set the time, it will correct the list. You can see already collected here. Okay, so that will help you there. Okay, so once it is collected, you can just go ahead and for message broadcasting also you can collect. So you have 1493 connections, first message connections, collect first connections. You already 80 finished. Okay, once you are done with this one, you can create the email. Okay, where to create the email you can just see. Now message broadcast, you just stop it and you can just create the template. Okay, so you can write the subject, you can write the email address, personalize the emails also, I mean messages also, and you know you can write whatever you want and automate this one. I'm just forwarding the video, so I just wanted to show you one bit and I'll just okay, so this is the one and you can just save it and broadcast it. Now broadcast. Time of setting should be the time gap between each message. For each context you can select it. You want the insert message or you can just type the message, you can select it through LinkedIn helper, save it and broadcast it. Start message broadcast. Okay, so what it does is it will go, sorry about this one. You can do your own job, I mean once it is going on there. Okay, I'm sorry, one more ad coming up.
This was me right after I started my business. You see, starting my business, that was...
So you can go ahead and do your job, but the LinkedIn helper is already running on the other tab. You can have your own work. Okay, so if you come see here, so this was automatically loading. The each profile of your contacts is loading on its own, and it will go and click on message. It will give the required gap. See, the message button has clicked and type the message was inserted and it will send. Okay, so LinkedIn help is one of the good prospecting tool to find new prospects with the product list you have. Okay, it will find the required prospect and it will also share the content automated way. Okay, this will help you a lot. What I'll do is I'll just have this video to be shared in the comments as well for the LinkedIn. Okay, if you ask me between these two, I'll suggest LinkedIn helper. Later you can decide on your own. Now So we'll go with the Dubot. What Dubot is doing. Dubot.io. So these are one of the best IO tools. Okay, they're very helpful. Okay, so now you can just register here. Sorry, Dehamio. So this is a very big password. Sorry about that. Okay, so just save it and add it here. So we have got the email to verify. Something's wrong. Yeah, activate the board. Sorry about the internet. Okay, so now how many free credits will get it? This is also email extraction tool. Okay, so if you already want some of the emails who have already done, you can just get the email addresses here. Go for the co-founders or any of the emails you wanted, you can just get them here. How to save credit? If you save it here to your prospects list, you find, these people are relevant, this domain is relevant to you, you can just save it to your this one. Okay, we are currently waiting list to purchase new credits. Oops. What is the process to get free credits? Yes. I think the email process for the contacts. I guess the bot has changed a lot. Okay, we don't have any contacts saved here. Sorry about this tool, but I'm not sure. I think there are so many changes happened. Previously we used to get some of the free credits, and we used to get the email addresses based on the prospect we have. Okay, so you can just check whatever you want to domain authorities, position, location, group by domain. Okay, let's save the search. Okay, marketing expert. I think you can skip this one. You need to send the email also now to get the free credits. I don't think you can waste time on this one. If you have some time, you can just explore it on your own. Okay, so I don't think this is going to help. Sorry about this tool. Okay, but make a note of it. This was providing good stuff previously. Okay, scrape.io. There are no things. I'll just go with scrap.io. Okay, this is also one of the scraping tools. Now we'll go and check 150 emails a month, free one for one user. Okay, so home, you need to install the Chrome extension again for this one also. Email scraping, just like Snowy. Okay, add to Chrome. add extension. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the tools which and all will help you in email scraping, but the best tool is snow.io. Okay, that is the best tool I ever come across. There are some other tools also going on, but not for the scraping, maybe for the extraction of the data. We'll discuss coming on now. Okay, just sign up, and this is also the same thing, similar to Snowy, but the features are comparatively very less. And if you have Snowy, if you are forwarding Snowy, you don't need any other scraping tool. Okay, if you can purchase it, that is full and final tool that you all need for outbound marketing campaigns. Okay, just sign up for your sake. Since we have got here, I'll just sign up here. I'll go with the email addresses only. Sign up for free. Save it, add it. I'm sorry, we keep doing this one since we're getting on with the tools. Let's go around this. So account has been confirmed. Login. Okay, email directory is empty, because we have since started now. Okay, no results found. Let's start checking its own website. Okay, now we'll go for amazon.com. we'll just see if which one is working better, with the scribe.io or see. Email is available, and chief financial officer, this is the way Scribe will help you with. It will have the detailed information. If you want to see results in website, you can just get 150. You can just go ahead and see on this one, web application. If you want to save the list, you can save it. These many employees. Okay, now for the same thing, you can have the email finder for individually or the company based, and for the domain search also you can have the list added initially, as I told you. From here, from here you can add the names. Okay, from there you can find the email addresses based on the job designation. Senior vice president human resources, based on the designation also you can go and directly check through scrap.io. The same thing also can be done on Snowy. So if you are going to offer for something wrong, Snowy is not able to find any Amazon.com accounts. This is strange. Let's check here. How come it's not going to find emails? Oops. What is... What are we doing? Here it is. Why Amazon.com is not able to find any of the email addresses, try a different domain or company name. Something wrong? Yeah, we're able to find this one. I don't know any technical glitch it might be. Okay, but trust me, Snow is the one of the greatest tools. Don't consider this as a mistake, or there can be any technical mistake, but if you ask me, that is the best tool of all. Okay, I don't know what is the reason. Okay, Amazon.in. Let's go for IBM.com. Let's just check whether it is doing good or not. If we go for scrape, it has fine. They say vice president, this is doing good, obviously. And if we go for Snowy, load it. We are waiting, buddy. Don't disappoint us this time. Okay, I have said too much about you. Don't break my trust. Yes. Now that's the guy. You can see here also history of the company. Let's see, you can see the complete search here also. Okay, so I think it's doing good. IBM Aspera. So these are the people. You can find the role here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so don't mistake Snowy. Okay, this is one of the great tools I have come across. Okay, once you purchase it and if you start using it, you love it. Okay, so Snowy is done, scrape is done. Parse Hub is one of the tools help you to get the parsing process of website. Okay, so this is one of the important, what do we call, way of getting information, getting data analysis of whether it is Google, Help, or any website related data or e-commerce data or anything. Okay, Parse Hub is one of the one of the greatest tools. Okay, that will help you in parsing the content. I already installed this one to show it to you. Okay, we'll just let it load. I don't have an account. I'll just sign up here. The home menu. This is going to be a big video. Pardon me about this. Save it, add it. Okay, so if you want to understand what exactly Pass Hub can do, okay, so I don't think I need to create a video. There are so many videos already created in the way of passing tools. Okay, this will help you in extracting the data. Okay, extracting the data, and it will help you like you can get similar kind of data for your analysis or for your comparison for your upcoming plans or anything. You can get the product data, competitor product data from e-commerce, or you can get the competition addresses for mobile numbers, email addresses from Google Help, Google Maps Help and all. Okay, you can pass all the things at one place and export them and use it for your upcoming campaigns. Okay, so this is one of the powerful tools that you, if you have already seen, as well and good, or just log in. So now okay, exit the tutorial. What you can do is you can just create the new project, and you can just pass tools. Okay, for the creating the project you need to have a page you need to be selecting online. Okay, so now you wanted the list of all the prospects for your tool. Okay, on consider on help. Okay, you are going on help.com and checking for all the digital marketing agencies list. Okay, you'll get that one. You will get the company names, you can get the email addresses, you can get the mobile numbers, addresses, anything. Okay, the list will be loaded there. Okay, but you can't go to each and every profile and you can just copy paste it in the Excel sheet and waste your time. Okay, what you do is from those kind of things you can just load the help page or Google Maps page, copy and paste here. Okay, and then you can just add it to start the project. Passing the content. Okay, for that you need to see a video already built in here. Okay, I don't want to waste much time. That is self-explanatory, and they'll help you, getting a
Looking to scrape website data to generate.
Hello, we're ParseHub. So you want to know what web scraping is and how it's used? Okay, let's break it all down. Some websites can contain a... Hello, we are ParseHub. Today, in any case, web scraping tool spreadsheet. For our example today, we will pull business contact information from Yelp onto an Excel spreadsheet. To achieve our goal for this project, we will use ParseHub, a free and powerful web scraper that can easily complete this task. So before we get started, make sure to download and install ParseHub for free from parsehub.com. For this example, we will extract the contact information of every fast food restaurant in Toronto from Yelp. Let's assume we own an imaginary company that sells napkins, paper plates, plastic utensils, straws, and other consumable restaurant items. As a result, having an Excel spreadsheet with the contact information of every fast food restaurant in town would be incredibly valuable and a great way to build a leads database. Now that we have ParseHub loaded up and the URL for the Yelp search results page for fast food, we can start scraping. In ParseHub, click on New Project and enter the URL to scrape. Once submitted, the URL will load inside of ParseHub.
This URL is the URL that you have selected here. Okay, this one of the help, this URL should be copied and pasted here to start the project. Okay, the list of restaurants, the results, whatever you have searched for, best fast food results that are loaded, that will load inside the ParseHub desktop app. Okay, so from there you will just grab the data and pass in this tool.
And you will be able to start selecting the information you want to extract. Let's start by selecting the business name of the first result on the page. Do this.
Now you need to select this page so that it will automatically selected here. Select the page will be, by default there is a select page. When you select this one, this will be selected here and you need to rename it.
by clicking on it. It will then turn green to indicate that it has been selected. You'll notice that all the business names on the page will turn yellow. Click on the next one to select all of them. You will now notice that Parsub is
once this is turned green, and all of the similar stuff, okay, similar kind of things will be highlighted. So when you select the next one also, it will consider that it has a loop to select the all the tools for parsing. Okay, that is the coding behind, that is the algorithm of the tool. If you select the next one also, then all the things will turn green, so that this should be loaded into the parsing. Okay, so then you can go for the next one.
set to extract the business name for every result on the page, plus the URL it is linking to. All business names will now be green. On the left sidebar, click on the selection you've just created and rename it to business. Then, click on the plus sign next to the selection and choose relative select. This will allow
relative select will be the name you have selected. The first one you have selected, there is a relative select for that particular one, because initially you have selected the business name. So the relative select for that particular business name can be its phone number, if it has a email address, or the address. Okay, anything it should be. Relative select is that one, which means you can be selecting other stuff related to that particular initial selection. The relative select is the important stuff. Listen to it.
Allow us to extract more data, such as the address and phone number for each business. Using relative select, click on the first business name and then on the phone number next to it. Rename this relative select to phone. Using relative select again, do the same for the business address. Rename this relative select to address. We'll do the same for the business category. This method will only capture the first page of results. We will now tell Parsub to scrape.
So in Google Maps data, Google Pages, or Help, you will find only the first page data initially when you when you do parsing. Okay, so to select the similar kind of data in the next page, you don't have only the single page data. In all these results, you'll have multiple pages of data. So to select that one also, you need to add that particular next page section with the next by selecting the next button. Okay, check how it will be added here.
The next 5 pages. Click on the plus sign next to select page, click on the select command, and select the next link at the bottom of the page. Rename this selection.
So you have the selected next page, which is the next link, which is next button here. That means every time everything has been passed in that particular page, the next button will be clicked. The click process should also be listed here in the process that will do it now.
To pagination. Parsub will automatically pull the URL for this link in.
So the next button has a URL that will be loaded here, that you need to be deleting it, because we don't need the next button link. Okay, we'll be deleting this from the list. Okay, and I'll be deleting the links also for the 5 pages
into the spreadsheet. In this case, we will remove these URLs since we do not need them. Click on the icon next to the selection name and delete the 2 extract commands. Now, click on the plus sign next to your pagination selection.
This is the next plus sign you need to be selecting for the click button. Okay, this next button has been selected, but we don't know whether it is a click or a relative select. Okay, this is a click button. Okay, click selection. Okay, so now we need to select the click one for this one
and add a click command. A window will pop up asking you if this is a next page link. Click on yes and enter the number of times you'd like this cycle to repeat. For this example, we will do it 5 times. Now that you are all set up, it's time to actually scrape the data and extract it. Click on the green Get Data button on the left sidebar. Here, you can either test your project, schedule it, or run it right away. In this case, we will run it right away, although we recommend to always test your scrapes before running them. Once you click on Run, Parsub will go off to scrape all the data you've selected. You can either wait on this screen or leave Parsub. You will be notified once your scrape is completed by email. In this case, our scrape was completed in under 2 minutes. Once your data is ready to download, click on the CSV Excel button. Now you can save and rename your file. And that's all there is to it. You can now use the power.
So this is the way you can just pass all the data. You can have all the list, phone numbers, addresses, anything. So if you have the phone numbers, it's well and good for outbound marketing. Outbound marketing need not be the email campaigning and all. You can also go ahead and do with the calls. Okay, so this is also one of the best tools for outbound marketing. Okay, so once this is done, okay, you can also have I mean, if any company is providing the generic emails or any emails for sales or inquiry stuff, well, you can just load emails also with this one. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, Pass Hub. Okay, there are so many other advantages of Pass Hub also. Go and use the tutorial of Pass Hub. You can just kill it for this one. Okay, you can use it for many there are many ideas you can generate with this one. You can go ahead and check Pass Hub videos for web scraping ideas. Okay, this is one of the videos maybe you need to check. Okay, if you are very well with APIs and all, you can just use their APIs as well. Okay, Pass Hub it is. Once it is done, we'll go for Shane's tools and other scraping techniques. Okay, now we'll come to this Shane's tools. Shane's tools also one of the famous set of tools. Okay, each marketing guy should be knowing them. Okay, now we'll go and check what exactly it is and what are the tools involved. Okay, this is the Shane's tools. Okay, what you can do is searching, sharing, scraping, and Shane's blog. These are the tools that Shane's provides. The person who provides all these are Mr. Shane. Is the guy. Okay, there's so many tools people I mean, there are so many people who use these tools, and these are very good tools to use. Okay, there are also there's one intelligence software CRM and ATS application tracking system that Shane has developed, Mr. Shane has developed, and okay, so you can just go ahead and see. Okay, but that's not for free. That is paid software for recruiting and human resources team personnel, and you can just have a look and contact Mr. Shane for optimum pricing. It's already priced at very low cost. Okay, you can just have and use it. So we'll come to our marketing part here. So searching, sharing, and scraping, and Shane's blog. Shane's blog, if you want, you can just go here and just check what all the blog content if you wanted to use. So this is the Shane's email tools. Okay, so this is the button for bookmarking. This comes with a set of tools here. So it will come with the tweet. So for quick tweet and all, you can just start tweeting, and you can just tweet it from here itself. Type the content. Okay, if it loads with the pre-existing content, just delete and just tweet it. Okay, you don't have to worry. And select one name, Michael Toman, whatever it is. So whatever you understand, you wanted to pronounce. So now go and search for this one from the website. Okay, so it'll get the details of all the things with that name on Google. You can search on LinkedIn. You can search on Twitter. You can search on Facebook. Twitter, any results? Some names. You can search on Facebook. You can also search on Google Plus is obsolete now. YouTube. You can also search on Wikipedia. Okay, so these are all the stuff you can find with this one. Okay, now once this is done, what you can do is if you want anything to share, if you're on any particular website. Okay, so if you are on any website, consider this is the website you are on, and you wanted to share the whole website. Okay, or any page, consider any page you are on. Okay, you wanted to share, you can share using Shane's tools within no time. Using Shane's tools to share this page, you'll be sharing it on your LinkedIn. Okay, also you can select this to share on your Twitter also. If you are able to share it on LinkedIn, it is allowed to share as on Twitter as well. Okay, from here. Okay, Twitter also. Okay, so like that you can share it anywhere, and that is share this page. And if you have selected any URL or consider any URL, like you go for ibm.com. Just like other tools, find email URLs for this URL, I mean emails for this URL. Okay, now it will search Google for about 100 results. We'll just limit this number for now. Okay, up to 50 if possible, it will find it. Okay, now extract emails from this one. Okay, it will extract all the emails related to in this one. Okay, or you can just select one thing, whatever email you find it. Okay, just do this one and extract emails. It will extract all the emails, by the way. Okay, so these are the emails you can find from Shane's tools as well. Okay, so this is how you can use Shane's tools for your outbound lead generation using outbound techniques. Okay, so once the Shane's tool is done, there are other scraping techniques that I have listed in my research. Okay, so I have listed all of them. What I'll do, I'll write it as a content. Okay, to be attached in the sheet. So the sheet whatever I have here, okay, if I miss to attach any of the sheet, you can just find this one in here, and you can have the data of this one. Okay, you can also search for the email addresses online with this one. If you are going to search for one of the digital marketing guy with all the email addresses, with the digital marketing guy CMO or marketing manager with the email addresses this that ends with mail or mag.com, hotmail, anything, and you need to search on search in US linkedin.com. Okay, you can just go ahead and search and click here. Okay, now you go to extractor. Once we search for this one, okay, you just need to copy the whole content. Okay, you need to control A, control C. Okay, so that was the process. Sorry about that one. Okay, go for the new line. Now click on extract. Okay, now this will extract all the email addresses in that particular page. Okay, so if you want to add something else also, you can just go ahead and go for try to load more number of pages. Here we only have the results up to 10 or 50 maybe, based on our settings. That will be okay. You can just go ahead and search for settings, search setting, and you can show the results up to 100. Okay, you can just save your okay custom search engine settings, CSE Google it is called. Okay, now it will open that one. Okay, for the CSE settings you can just, now you can also search for anything related to health, gmail.com or Bangalore stuff. These are the various strings that you need to check all the stuff. Now health related in Bangalore. Now just copy all the stuff. Now reset it. Copy. Comma is okay. So now you'll get all the emails, the health related emails from Bangalore that comes with Gmail. Okay, so you can have all these emails. These are from Bangalore. Okay, so this is one of the ways. It's like a random searching process. Okay, so this also helps you in getting all the data. So pass hub we have already discussed earlier. Okay, so these are various kinds of techniques in generating the leads, and outbound marketing is the way you use your expertise in improvising and getting new target audiences on board. Okay, there is no specific process to do any of this stuff. You need to be exploring the ways to do it. These are the tools we have explored on our own with the external search, external process, and we kept doing this one, and we have our own process to teach you. So you need to be, not just learning the course by paying money. You need to be passing on the what you have learned, not the course details. Okay, so we have spent a lot of time and expertise in creating these courses. So you need to be helping your juniors either by sharing knowledge like with some course or tutorial, or any means. You need to be finding a platform to share whatever you have learned, and making the world a better place. Okay, so end of the outbound marketing video, outbound marketing lead generation techniques. We'll discuss this one, inbound marketing and advertising and campaigning. We'll finish the video in less of time. Thank you. End of the video.